So today's the day this thing gets a weldy. So it came out and found out it's got a new dent on it, which is nice, you know, fucking perfect. Kind of matches the fucking bog that's in the rear already. That's planning on getting chucked out when it hits a wall at Archie. Fuck yeah. So we already tried starting to strip it, as you can see. That'll be coming later if we don't get the diff welded today. Like we'll get the diff welded today, but if it takes too long, we don't have time to strip off the rest. We'll show you that in a couple of weeks time or a couple of days time. So we're leaving it here overnight, getting it diff welded by O'Barry's AU house. So yeah, Rego runs out tonight, so we're going to trail it home tomorrow. But yeah, hopefully they'll look after it and probably thrash the fuck out of it when they're testing it, whatever. Alright, so we're back a couple of days later, got the welded diff done, so she's now skid ready. We're just going to strip out a majority of the interior, maybe do manualizing the auto if we get time today, strip out the rest of everything that's in it, all the rubbish, and yeah, should be fun.
Oh, here we go, this is what I want. A Felipe head.
So, when we took it to AU house, they welded the diff. It has got the exhaust is way low for some reason now. Doesn't really bother me too much because it's going to be like, I don't know. If we lower it, it might be an issue, but whatever. At this point, it's fine. Yeah, no, good fun. And then, obviously, fix that wheel gap at some point. Either cut springs or cheap suspension or springs or whatever the fuck we get. Leave them in okay condition just because we might need them back on for QR. Because Archie doesn't require door cards, QR does. As you can see, we've already started tearing shit apart. You just like breaking shit, don't you? Might put those in Liam's shitty fucking daily. The fucking Pulsar. Stop it! Don't. For fuck's sake. So, quick update. Front door cards off. Rear door cards and rear seat base off. Still got door handles, even though there's no seats back here. This will be coming off later. We're doing that side now. Alright. Rear seat removal time. Good old Ugga Duggers, get them right out. I think there should be another one on the other side, so let's go do that. Okay, that should mean the rear comes out now. So this actually has more bolts in it than the other seats did, but you know, nothing impact can't solve it. And done. But fuck it. As we know, anything works as a hammer if you're brave enough. So that's the boot pretty much done. Rest of the car's looking pretty nice. Pretty weight reduction because it has no power, so I need to fucking get it the light as possible.
Pretty weight reduction.
Shut the fuck up, I'm not here to speak English, I'm here to pull apart cars. So now we're just going to take the battery off to take the steering wheel out and take the airbag out. But I just want to quickly show you the amazing mounted potty, you know. Fucking mint. It has got a bit of a leaky power steering fluid lines, so we will probably try and sort that before we take it to Archie so don't wreck the track, but yeah. So airbag removal is a success. Was a bit fucky getting that shit behind there, but you can just do that with a flathead. And then 2 plugs and she's off, which means it won't explode in my face when I'm drifting. And I can also put a boss kit on here, which I will do eventually. Just found out that this fucking thing to get a boss kit's fucking huge, so we won't be doing that today. But when we get the boss kit coming in the mail, we'll do that. Let's see how angry she gets when we turn it on without an airbag in it. That SRS light should stay there. Yep, because it's not got an airbag. Might try and take that airbag out, maybe. Ah, there we go. Nice. I might see if I can short these out somehow so we can stop. Oh, fuck. That was one of these, just because that one's fucking broken as shit. But alright. That'll be fine. Airbag fault, not a big deal. Yeah, should be rad. Another quick update, steering wheel's off, headliner is completely gone, rear seat belts are gone, radio's gone, these will probably go in a second because it doesn't even fucking work anyway. They do, surprisingly. Most of this will come out, most of the carpet will come out by the end of the day, so yeah. Second thought, we're keeping the dash because fuck it, it looks decent-ish. And I can't be fucked undoing it all. So we're keeping the dash, carpets, we'll probably keep the front ones, maybe. Rear ones will definitely go. Kind of want to keep the front sort of a pleasant place to drive, so make it basically like a ute, and then strip everything out from behind there, and then hopefully it'll be light enough that it can slide with the shitty fucking Ecotech, mate. Oh well. Don't care. Surprisingly didn't strip, even though I'm retarded. This is fucked. Oh, that's bad. We need to get a seat in here probably. Oh, that's fucking stuck in there. Unless I'm retarded and missed a screw. No.
Hammer time.
Nah, we'll try taking this out and see if we can see behind it. Just get in the hole, cunt. Rad. Alright. So you just fucking... There we go. One Commodore speaker. Fucking do with that what you want. Now it's important to always keep track of which bolts go where, and we are very much doing that because they're all going into a box. Don't know which box. Can you chuck us the Snippy Boys again, please? Fuck, why did I do this? Why do I hate myself? Now while we're down here, we could manualize the auto because the ECU thing's in here. If it proves a problem at Archie, we will do that, but at this point, I can't be fucked. Because I know on burnouts, they do it so it holds first when you're on Limmy, but I don't know the amount of time that we'll be on Limmy in this. Like, I don't know if it has enough power to get up Limmy while it's drifting, but we'll find out, we'll figure out. If we need to change it, we'll do it next time. We've decided to put the door panels back on the front, at least, just because we're going to do that side in a second. Just so that we can get to QR and all that. So they require door panels, as far as I know anyway, for where people are going to be driving or sitting. Considering we've only got the front 2 seats and the rears aren't going to, we're going to leave the rears off. But yeah, front's going back on, just 3 screws, one there, one down there, and then one down there. And then that should be enough to hold it on, because it's not really doing much. So we just took the rear carpet out, and you know, fuck yeah, 10 cents free. Car was only that means car was only $499.90. Got a bunch of nice ciggy ends and chewed gum. Oh fuck, another 10 cents, bro. Look at that, we're fucking balling. We'll be fine. Fucking free drift car, mate. We've gotten it all stripped as much as we want to. As you can see, it's very fucking wet. So yeah, going to go to the dump now, get some food because I fucking stop trying to rip handbrakes. Anyway, gonna go get some food, go to the dump that, get back, tighten the Commodore handbrake cable if we can, and then show you how it looks, and then that'll be it. So we've been and dumped the Commodore parts off at the tip, and now I'm just gonna go tighten the handbrake. So you guys, a quick overview of what we did. The front still looks pretty similar to factory, you know. The rear, however, completely stripped out, door panels, everything. The boot completely stripped out. Took the cover off like the bonnet liner. Radio has been removed, speakers has been removed. Roof lining's done. So yeah, now it's just tighten this little shit. So we might actually get some handbrake. I don't really expect it to work. I have a feeling it's probably fucked anyway, and I can't bother taking the rear off, so see how it goes. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So, tried adjusting the handbrake, got it a bit tighter, but ultimately I'm pretty sure the shoes are fucked, so we'll have to do that. Other than that, pretty sure we're done for the day. We'll replace this with an actual hub adapter and steering wheel something eventually, but in the meantime, she's fucking mint. The next time you see this absolute weapon of a car, it will be at Archie. Got to get some cheapies for the rear, because I have a feeling it's going to have to struggle trying to spin those, even though they're not that wide. But yeah, so next time you see it, it'll be at Archie. We'll get some video of that, and yeah, stay tuned.